Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all fine, isn't it? Yes. So a warm welcome to our maths class, okay children? Okay, so dear children, today we are going to revise our unit 1 4-digit numbers, okay? 4-digit number. It is very easy unit, isn't it? Yes. In unit 1, what are the topics we have? Can you say? Yes. First what? 4-digit numbers in our daily life. Then the expanded form of 4-digit numbers. Also standard form of 4-digit number, isn't it? Then what? Yes, counting. Also the missing numbers, I think. Yes, very good. Missing numbers. Then number names. Comparison of numbers. Ascending order and descending order. Then what? Largest and smallest number, and then rounding off number nearest to 1000, and the last topic is skip counting by 100, 500 and 1000. Okay, so today we are going to revise our unit 1. Okay, so shall we start from what? Expanded form of numbers. Okay children? Yes. So 4-digit numbers, expanded form. Okay, so the expanded form of 4-digit numbers. So they are giving one example, that is we want to expand this number 1532. So if we want to expand one number, what is the first step? What can we do in the first? Yes, first we want to draw the place value box. So here this is a 4-digit number. So the place value box having 4 columns. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then 2 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 1 is in the thousands place. Okay, so 1000 means 1000 plus 5 is in the hundreds place means 500 plus 3 is in the tens place, that is 30, plus 2 is in the ones place. So we can directly write 2. Okay, so the expanded form of 1532 is 1000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, so shall we move to the exercise problems? Okay children? Yes. So first, what is the first number? 345. They are already done for you, isn't it? So 5 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. So we can directly write 300 plus 4 tens, that is 40, plus 5 is in the ones place, so 5. Okay, 300 plus 40 plus 5. Okay, so we can move to next question, that is 1367. Here 7 is in the ones place, so we can write 7 in the ones place. 6 is in the tens place, so 6. 3 is in the hundreds place, and the last 1 is in the thousands place. So what is the expanded form of this number? Yes, first 1 is in the thousands place means 1000, plus 3 is in the hundreds place means 300, plus 6 is in the tens place, that is 60, plus 7 is in the ones place, so 7. Okay children? The second question is 2378. So here 8 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, and 2 is in the thousands place. So here the expanded form is 2000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 8. Okay. The next question is 5476. So 6 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, last 5 is in the thousands place. So here 5000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 6. Okay, so the next question is 1029. So 9 is in the ones place, 2 is in the hundreds place, 0 is in the hundreds place, and 1 is in the thousands place. Okay, so 1000 plus 0 is in the hundreds place, so we need not to write 0, isn't it? Directly go to tens place, so 20 plus 9. Okay, and the last, then if question is 3120. So 0 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place, and 3 is in the thousands place. So 3000 plus 100 plus 20 and 0 is in the ones place. So we need not to write 0. Okay. So the next question is 4288. So 8 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundreds place, and 4 is in the thousands place. So 4000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 8. Okay. Then 4906. So 6 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tens place, 0 is in the hundreds place, and 4 is in the thousands place. So 4000 plus 0 is in the hundreds place. So we need not to write the 0, isn't it? So we can directly move to tens place. That is 90 plus 6. Okay. Then 8080. So 0 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, and again 0 is in the hundreds place, and 8 is in the thousands place. So 8000 plus 80. Okay. Because 0 is in the hundreds place and 0 is in the ones place. So we need not to write the hundreds and ones place, isn't it? Then the next question is 4578. So 8 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 4 is in the thousands place. So the answer is 4000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 8. Okay. Then 9823. So 3 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 8 is in the hundreds place, and 9 is in the thousands place. The answer is 9000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. The next question is 5656. So 6 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, again 6 is in the hundreds place, and 5 is in the thousands place. So the answer is 5000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 6. Okay. Then 3333. So 3 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, 3 is in the thousands place. So here 3000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Okay. Then 1024. 4 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 0 is in the hundreds place, and 1 is in the thousands place. So 1000 plus 0 is in the hundreds place means we need not to write 0, isn't it? Then we can directly go to tens place. 20 plus 4. Okay. Then 2106. So 6 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the thousands place. So 2000 plus 100 plus 6. Okay. Then 4578. So 8, 7 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 4. So the answer is 4000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 8. Okay. And the last one is 2360. 0 is in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, and 2 is in the thousands place. So 2000 plus 300 plus 60 plus what? 0 is in the ones place, isn't it? So we need not to write 0. Okay. So the exercise is over. So we can move to the next one. Okay. So here 2146. You can directly write 2000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 6. Okay. Then 2000 plus 0 is in the hundreds place now. So we need not to write 0. So 30 plus 10. Sorry, plus 1. Okay. And 1239. So 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6. Then 2521. So 2000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. Then 5427. So 5000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 7. Then 8709. So 8000 plus 700 plus 9. Okay. Then 5853. So 5000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3. Then 9782. So 9000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. Then 4000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 6. Then 9687. So 9000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7. Okay. Then 4638. So 4000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 8. Okay. Then 2000 plus 50 plus 3. Then 1000 plus 300 plus 50 plus. So 0 is in the ones place. So we need not to write the 0. Okay. So expanded form is over, I think. Yes. So we can move to standard form. So here 2000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 7. We can write the standard form of this number. How can we write? 7 is in the ones place, 8 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 2 is in the thousands place. So we can directly write 2587. Here 2 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, and 3. So 3792. Then here 2, 4 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place, and 9. So 9742. Then 6500 plus 80. So here no ones place, no. So here 0. Then 8 is in the tens place, 5 is in the hundreds place, and 6 is in the thousands place. So 6580. Okay. Then 1000 plus 400 plus 2. There is no tens place. So here 2 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, and 1000. So 1402. Okay. Then 7000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 5. So 5 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place, and 7 is in the thousands place. So the answer is 7335. Okay. So now we are going to complete this exercise. Okay. So page number 11. So here 2444. Second question 3470. No ones place, no. So we can directly write 70. Then 5884. Then 6351. Then here no hundreds place. So 5000, 0 for hundreds place, and 89. Okay. Then here 3183. Then 1327. Then 9000, 0 is in the hundreds place. So 0. Then 95. Okay. So this is also over. So here page number 12. We can write the expanded. They are giving the expanded form. We can write the standard form. Okay. So 5, 3, 5, again 2. So 2535. 1, 7, 6, 3. 3671. 2, 8, 3, 7. 7382. Then 5, 2, 3, 5. 5325. Then 1, 2, 5, 4. 4521. Then 9, 8, 8, 2. 2889. Okay. So here 1000. There is no places and there is no digit in hundreds place, no. So 1000, 0 is in the hundreds place, 87. 3261. Here 7796. 3612. 4646. 1755. Then 9. There is no thousands place, no. So only starting from hundreds place. So 974. Okay. Then 6454. So now we can complete the standard form also, expanded form. Okay. So you should study all these questions. Okay, children. Okay. Then we shall move to the counting. Okay. So, dear children, 4-digit numbers counting. Okay. So, first 1000, 1001. Then what will be the next? Yes, 1002. Very good. Then 1003. Then 1004. 1005. 1006. Then very good. 1007. 1008. Then 1009. Here 3141, 3142, then 3143, 3144, 3145, 3146, 3147, 3148, 3149, 3150. Okay. Then 6856, 6857, 6858, 6859, 6860, 6861, 6862, then 6863, 6864, 6865. Okay. Then 4320. Then here 4330. Isn't it, children? Here ones and tens, hundreds, thousand. Here tens place is changes. Isn't it? So here 4320, 30, then 40. Okay. Then 4350, 4360, 4370. So in each number the tens place can change. Okay. Then 4380, 4390, 4000, then 400, then 4400, 4410. Okay. So here in tens place is change, isn't it? Tens place can change in each number. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 3000, 4390. After what? 4400, then 410. Okay. So here also like that. In tens place can change. So here 7150, 60, 70, 7180, 7190, 7200, 7210, 7220, 7230, 7240. Okay. Then here in hundreds place can change, isn't it? 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500. What is the next? 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900. Then what? What is the next? 2000, isn't it? Then 2100. Okay. So children, listen carefully here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here the hundreds place can change in each of the numbers. So 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 1800, 1900, then 2000, 2100. Okay. So here next one. Here also the hundreds place can change. 4270, 4370. Then what will be the next? 4470, isn't it? 4570, 4670, 4770, 4870, 4970. Then what will be the next? Can you say what is the next? Yes, very good. What is the next? 5070. Then 5170. Okay. So next one, 1100, 2100. Here the thousands place can change, isn't it? So here, what's the next? Can you say what is the next? Yes, 3100, 4100, 5100, 6100, 7100, 8100, 9100. Then what is the next? Then what is the next, children? Yes, very good. 10,100. Okay. Then here 1600, 2600, 3600, 4600, 5600, 6600, 7600, 8600, 9600. Then what is the next? Very good. 10,600, isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. Shall we move to the missing numbers? Okay. So here 9,000, 9001, 9002, 9003, 9004, 9005, 9006, 9007, 9008. Then the last one is 9009. Then 2041. Then 2042, 2043, 2044. Then 2045 is already here. Then 2046, 2047, 2048, 2049. Then 2050. Okay. So the next question is 3251, 3252, 3200. Yes, very good. 53. 3254, 3255, 3256, 3257, 3258, 3259, 3260. Okay. So the next question is 4588, 4589, 4590, 4591, 4592, 4593. So 4594 is already there. So 4595, 4596, 4597. Okay. Then 5430, 5431, 5432, 5433, then 34, 5435, then 5436, 5437, 5438, 5439. Okay, enough. Then what's the next? 6,970, 71, then 72, 73, okay, 74, so and so on. 6,975, 6,976, 6,977, 6,978, 6,979. Okay. Then 7,200. Then 201, 7,202, 7,203. So 7,204 is already here. Then 7,205, 206, 7,207, 7,208, 7,209. Then 8,666, 8,666, 8,667, 8,668, 8,669, 8,670. 69 after 70, isn't it? Yes. 8671, 72, then 8673, and so on, isn't it, children? Yes. 75. Okay. Then 8990, 91, then 92, 8993, 8994. Yes, correct. Very good. 95. Then 96, 8997, 8998, 8999. Okay. Then 3267, 3268, 3269, 3270, then 71, 72, 73, 74, then 3775 is already here, isn't it? Yes. Then 3276. Very good. Okay, children. Okay, you can complete all these, okay, in your book. So you should study also, okay, children. Okay. So children, shall we move to the number name? Okay. Here first 1160. 6 is in the ones place, 1 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place, also 1 is in the thousands place. So 1116. Here 4569. 9, 6, 5, 4. Okay. So 4569. Okay, children. Okay. So 5000, isn't it? 0005. So directly write 5000. Okay. Then 8999. 9998. So 8000. 8999. Okay, children. Okay, 6007. 7006. So 6000. 7 SCV 6007. 7861. 1687. So 7000. 7800. AGH 8 HUNDRD 800. 61 XT 60 ONE 61. So shall we move to the next topic, isn't it? What? Comparison. Okay, comparison of numbers. So here 5560, 1235 and 3010. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 1235, 310. Okay. So we can consider the thousands place, isn't it? Here 1 and here there is no number. So we can predict this is the biggest number. So we can write like this, isn't it? 1235 greater than 310. Okay. So shall we move to the next question? Here 5561. So 5561 and 7212, isn't it? 7212. So here, yes, we can compare the thousands place. Here 7 and 5. Which one is the greater? 7 or 5? Yes, very good. 7 is the greater one. So we can write like this. 5561 is less than 7212. Okay. So the next question is 4271 and 1242. So 1724, then 2421. Okay, 4271, 1242. So we can consider the thousands place. Okay, so here 4 and 1. Which one is the greater one? Yes, very good. 4 is the greater one, isn't it? So we can write
4271 is greater than 1242. Okay. So the next one is 1621 and 1626. So first we can consider the thousands place. So here 1, each numbers having 1 is in the thousands place. Also 6 is in the hundreds place, 2 is in the ones place, isn't it? First 3 places, that means thousands place, hundreds place and the tens place are same, isn't it, for both numbers. So we can move to the ones place. Here 1 and 6. So which one is a greater one? Can you say 1 or 6? Which one is a greater one? Yes, very good. 6 is the greater one. So we can write 1621 is less than 1626, isn't it? Yes. So circle the bigger number out of the two. We want to circle the biggest numbers, okay? So here 1322 and 2193. So we can consider the thousands place. Here 1, here 2. So which one is the bigger one? Yes, 2 is a bigger one. We want to circle the bigger number, no? So we can circle this number, okay? And here 1211, 1190. So consider thousands place. Here 1, here also 1. Here 2, but here 1, isn't it? So which one is a greater, 2 or 1? Yes, 2 is a greater one. So we can circle this one. 3452, 3128. Which one is a greater? Each number having 3 is in the thousands place. But here 4 and 1. So 4 is the greater one. So we can circle this. Okay, children? Yes. So here circle the smaller number out of the two. So 2411 and 4104. We want to circle the smaller number. So here we can consider the thousands place. First number having 2 is in the thousands place. Second number having 4 is in the thousands place. So which one is a smaller one? Yes, very good. 2, isn't it? So this is the smaller number. We can circle this number. Then 1324 and 1693. So 1324 and 1693. So each number having 1 is in the thousands place, isn't it? But in hundreds place 3 and 6. Which one is the smaller? Yes, 3 is the smaller. So we can circle this number, okay? In this way we can complete all this. So here 5, 5, 6 and 7. Which one is the smaller? Yes, very good. This is a smaller one. Here 1, 1, 9, 9 also. But here 6 and 0. So which one is the smaller one? Which one is the smaller one? Can you say? Yes, 0 is a smaller one. So we can circle this one, okay? Then 2262, 2264. Then both number having first 3 digits are same. So we can go to the ones place. Here 2 and 4. Which one is the smaller one? 2 or 4? Yes, very good. 2 is a smaller one. So we can circle this one, okay? So here we can go from the last, okay? So already we have done from first, isn't it? So we can go from the last. So 4321, 4326. Which one is the greater? Yes, this is a greater. So we can write 4321 is less than 4326, okay? Here 1234, 4321. Which one is the greater? Yes, very good. 4321 is greater. So we can write like this, okay? This 1234 is less than 4321. And 2043, 2043. So both numbers are equal, isn't it? So we can write equal to, okay? Then 3475 and 1110. Which one is the greater? Yes, this is the greater. So 3457 is greater than 1110, okay? Okay. Then 2378 and 1619. 90. Which one is the greater? Very good. This is the greater one. First number is the greater one, isn't it? So we can write 2378 is greater than 1690. Okay, children? Is it okay for you? Okay, then we can move to the next topic. So ascending order and descending order. So first one, here three numbers, so they can give three columns. First, we want to write the numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Yes, very good. Ascending order means the number you want to write from the smaller to the bigger. So we can select the smaller number from this, isn't it? So here 3,622, 1,087, 2,734, 38, isn't it? So we can consider the thousands place, okay? So here 3, 1 and 2. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, very good. 1,087, isn't it? Because 1 is a smaller one, no? So we can write 1,087 in the first column. Then 3 and 2. Which one is the smaller one? Very good. 2, isn't it? So we can write this number in second column. Then 3. Okay. So the next one is 8, 9, 2. So which one is the smaller one? Yes, very good. 2008, then 8, isn't it? So 8,629, then 9,826. Then the third question. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. So each number having 5 is in the thousands place. And 2, 2, 1, 3. So here 1 is the smaller one, isn't it? So we can write 5,880. Then here the both numbers having 2. So we want to move to the tens place. Here 6 and 7. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, 5,261. Then 5,270. Then 5,371. Okay, children. So the next question is 7,281, 2,832, 7,728, 5,927. So we want to compare the thousands place. 7, 2, 7, 5. So this is a smaller one. Okay. And 5,927, second one. Here both number having 7. So we can move to the next one. So here 2 and 7. Which one is the smaller one? Very good. This one is a smaller one. So 7,281. The last one is 7,728. Okay, children? Okay. Then 2,038, 2,103, 2,837, 2,495, 2,081. So which one is each number having 2 is in the thousands place. So we can move to the hundreds place, isn't it? Here 0, 1, 8, 4, 0. So both number having 0 is in the hundreds place. So we can move to the next one. So 3 and 8. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, very good. This is the smaller one. So 2038. Then 2081. So these two are over. Then we can go to the another 3. Okay. So here 1. So 2,103. Then 2,495. Then 2,837. Okay, children. So we can move to the descending order. So what do you mean by descending order? Yes, very good. Descending order means the number from the bigger to the smaller. Okay. Ascending order means the number from the smaller to the bigger. So now we are going to see the descending order. So we want to select the smaller number and write it from the back, isn't it? Yes. So here also we can select the smaller number. So here first 8,371, 4,372 and 4,739, isn't it? So first the both two numbers having 4 is in the thousands place now. So we can move to the hundreds place. 7 and 3. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, this is a smaller one, isn't it? So we can select this number and write it in the last column. Okay. Then 4,739. And the last one is 8,371. Okay, children? Okay. So the next question is 1993, 2770 and 2536. Okay, so which one is a smaller one? Yes, very good. This is a smaller one. So we can write it in the backward. Okay. Then here 2 and 2. Then we can move to the next one. So 7 and 5. Which one is the smaller one? Yes, very good. 5. So 2536 and 2717. Okay, children. Okay. Then we can move to the exercise. Okay. So here 1830, 126, 2621, 8903. Okay. So which is the smaller one? Here this number is a 3-digit number. So this is the smaller one. So first we want to draw 4 lines, blank line, isn't it? Did you remember it? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. So we can draw 4 blank lines. And we can select the smaller one and write it from the back. Then 1000, 1830, then 2621, then 8903. Okay, so in this way we can write all this. Okay, children, so it is very easy for you. So we have another 3 topics, isn't it? Largest and smallest numbers, rounding of a number to nearest 1000, and also skip counting by 100. So we can see these 3 topics in our next class. Okay, so you should study all these exercises. Okay, children. Okay, so it's time to wind up. Thank you, children. We will meet at our next class. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy, and you should study all the portions. Okay, children. Okay, thank you. Bye.